everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak, and I'm here to do an unboxing of a brand new subscription box, which I found online, excuse me, through another YouTube viewer. And it's called the Green Spa Box. And I just can't wait to open this. Look how beautiful the box is. So if this is something that you are interested in, you can find them at www.greenspabox.com. And they do have a 1-800 number if you have any issues with your box or you want to speak to someone. So you can find them on all the social medias listed here on their box. And I'm super excited to open this, so let's not delay any further. Get this open. Sorry about the crinkling. Alright, so let's see. I love how these little boxes open. Oops. I think I'm a little stuck here. Okay. Goodness, I don't know what that is outside making all that noise. So here we are. We're going to open this up. See what's inside. So this is my first subscription from them. So look, it says, welcome. My goodness, can you hear that? Some sort of huge truck. Welcome to Green Spa Box. Have you been feeling stressed out lately? Oh my goodness, do these people know me or what? Say no more. We will help you relax your body and mind. This month, Green Spa Box helps you create the perfect balance by providing all the right elements. Oh, that truck. And ingredients that will help you reach a calming experience. Nature gives us all the resources we need, and for us, it's a pleasure to send them right to your doorstep. Make sure to share your product review and experience with us online by joining our community on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Pinterest. Stay tuned for your next box filled with amazing products. Relax and enjoy. Betsy. So Betsy Chico is the founder and the Green Spa Box team. So let's see, some key ingredients and elements. Looks like lemon peel, green tea, sweet orange, jade stone. Oh, my vision is not good with that. And Italian green clay. Okay, so this is products and benefits of uses. So this just tells you about each product. So, oh, what is this? Pre-order starting August 15th. Big Luxe Box. Autumn Edition. Oh, decor, accessories, clothes, spa, body care, facial care, and makeup. Greenspabox.com. Ooh, I'm going to have to check that out. Oh, and then Shopping Much, our brand new store is now available. Oh my goodness, how wonderful. Oh, what do we have here? This is a piece of jewelry. All right, I may have to put my glasses down my nose to read this. I am a seed of life, free and light as the leaves, pure as water. Move this over. Strong as rocks, safe, valuable, and beautiful as a diamond. Women, loving yourself every day is your first choice. Value your step through life. Okay, so that is a different language. All right. So Musa by Didi and Green Adventurine. It is said that adventuring helps you to clarify what makes you happy or unhappy. Oh my goodness. White jade is said to orient energy in a more constructive way, discerning distractions, helping to make decisions by showing important information. White minerals provide fullness and perfection, favoring one's knowledge. Oh, so let's open this up. Oh, my nose is itchy. Oh, I hope I'm not going to get in a fight with anyone because I'm here myself. I don't know, but get in a fight with myself. So here's a card. Musa by Didi. Visit and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. So there's her card. And look at this. Is this not beautiful? Oh, I love this. I'm more a silver person, but I can get over that quickly. Oh my goodness, look at this. Is this not the most beautiful bracelet you have seen? Oh, look at that little, I'm going to call it a diamond. But look how it sparkles. Is that not beautiful? So let's see how this usually, yeah, slides. Okay, I'm going to put this on. And, well, I'm going to use my teeth. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, I feel better already. Oh, thank you. Okay, so let's see. Oh, this little shreddy paper. Okay. Oh, goodness, sorry. That's, who is it? It was my daughter. Okay, she'll have to wait. I'm sure she'll be watching this. Japanese green tea spa therapy. Fine sea salt, medium sea salt, Epsom salt, organic Japanese green tea, lemon peel, and fragrance oil. Oh, I want to take a sniffy. Oh, that smells simply amazing. Oh, I can't, oh, yeah. Let me, one more time. You know that smell you get when you go and walk into like one of those real expensive spas and you have that aromatherapy? That smells absolutely amazing. I love that. I'm feeling so refreshed. Let's see what we have here. We have sweet orange. This is pure therapeutic grade essential oil. Okay, let me see what it says. To use, apply this oil into the volcanic stone of your bracelet for relaxation. Okay. Is there a bracelet in here? Is that what this is? No. That's a facial roller. I don't know if they mean that bracelet. Okay, I'm not sure. But is there a bracelet in here? No. Of your bracelet. Well, I'm not sure. Does it mean this bracelet? Oh, I don't see anything else but shreddy paper. It could come in handy, shreddy paper. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. I don't understand that. There's a bracelet, this bracelet. I mean, maybe? I don't know. Okay. Vitamin C cleanser. Okay, so this is a cleanser, vitamin C. We can all use that. And then, where's that other thing? Okay, where is it? Oh, here. There. This is a jade facial roller. Apply gentle pressure with rolling the tool from the center of your face in upward and outward motions. Oh, I have like a dough roller that looks like that, but much larger. But this is fancy. You know what I'm going to do? Let's check out the paper. Let me see. Oh, I love this. Let's see what this says. Okay, the Jade Facial Roller removes toxins, relieves stress and tension, depuffs skin, helps with dark circles, rolls out wrinkles. Of course, I don't have any of those, right? Stimulates blood flow and circulation. To use it, apply gentle pressure while rolling the tool from the center of your face in upward and outward motions. Okay, so the aromatherapy bracelet, that must be this. Green, yes, it is. Oh, you know what? I bet this here little stone. See, I'm just not used to relaxing. Green aventurine, white jade, mother of pearl, volcanic stone, Puerto Rican artist Musa. Yes, this is an aromatherapy bracelet. Okay, that all makes sense. All right, sorry. Pure therapeutic grade essential oil, sweet orange. Apply this oil into the volcanic stone of your bracelet for relaxation. Oh, I'm going to have to do that. Vitamin C gel cleanser. Brings together a powerful skin duo of Italian green clay, gentle, rich vitamin C esters. Together they bring the muscle in this rich, ultra cleansing formula. Softly lathers the skin while helping to refine and support, leaving your skin feeling clean and fresh. Okay, let's say shake before use. It tells you to clean your face every morning and night. Always cleanse in circular motion in upward direction. Be gentle with your skin. You don't need heavy pressure to cleanse. And the Japanese green tea spa therapy, filled bathtub or pedicure and pour salts for a therapeutic and relaxing bath. Okay, so that is all the fun things that come in here. And now, I love this bracelet, and I'm so happy to know that I put that oils on there, and I'm going to do that. I am going to do that. How much time do I have? Oh, I have time. Oh, that little bag smells good. You know, I don't know, this might be too much information, but, you know, when I was a little girl, we would get, my mother would get her bills from Bon-Ton, and they would always have inside there those little, little coupons and things like that for different types of fragrances. So, you know, you're supposed to, you know, smell it or rub it on your wrist or something like that. Well, my mother used to always say, I think my mother used to say, or I don't know where it came from. Maybe it was me telling my daughter to put it in your underwear drawer, that paper, because it'll make your underwear smell good. I don't know. But put it in your underwear drawer. Your underwear will smell like fresh oranges. All right, let me see the directions. Sorry, I got distracted. Apply this oil into volcanic stone to your bracelet for relaxation. Okay. Did I read that on here too? As to how to do it? No. Did it say? Just apply it. Okay. I'm afraid I'm going to be wearing it. Oh, okay, good. Oh, look, it has a little dropper. You see that? Not even a dropper. It's like a little stick. Okay. Okay. All right, volcanic oil. Bead. Absorb. Absorb. I don't really smell it. Maybe it takes a little bit. I'm assuming that's the bead, because that looks like volcanic ash. Not like I'm an expert in volcanic ash by any means. But, oh yeah, you can smell it. Oh, this would be good in like a little potpourri type pot. Or if you have one of those diffusers. That would be wonderful. Okay. Oh, yes, I smell it. Okay, wonderful. All right. Well, I am very happy with this box. And I want to say, I don't know. Hold on. I pulled my teeth again. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I know it was really inexpensive. And this green spa box, I'm very excited. I love the bracelet. I love that. And I mean, this is great if you don't like to really wear perfume, because here it's just on this little bracelet. You're not like putting it all over your skin. And I love the bath salts, and I'm going to have to try this out on my face. And when I get my next, my next monthly spa box, I will definitely report on everything that I got in here and how wonderful everything was, because I'm sure it's going to be. So thank you so much for joining me, and thank you so much, Green Spa Box, for sending me this box and being able to share it with all of my friends. All right, everyone, have a great day, and I will see you back here again real soon. Bye-bye for now.